नमः।
Welcome to Aditya 11T YouTube channel. Today I would like to share a small case study which laptop model Lenovo E4115 and board part number LA-D731P. First let me show you the problem. See, right now RAM is connected and DC amp is taking 009 and 10. Okay, let me trigger on board. MBD is trigger on, taking ampere, but the problem is I am not getting my display. Okay, so let me connect USB keyboard and showing that number log is glowing or not. I'm connecting USB keyboard. Okay, again I'm triggering on motherboard. MBD is trigger on, again it's taking ampere, but in keyboard I'm not getting display. So USB is connected, there is no display on keyboard, and amp also taking little high. This board need 500 to 550 amp to give display, but it's taking more amp, and again it's shut down due to heat shutdown. Okay, this is the problem on board. Okay, so let me show you that supplies what I am getting. Again I trigger on board, MBD is trigger on. Now I am showing that supplies. See, 3 volt is good and 5 volt also good, and RAM supply 1.35, it's also okay, and board is getting on again. Again I am clicking on motherboard, MBD is getting on. My 0.95 supply, it's also present. Okay, my CPU supply, it's also present, and board is getting off again. Again I trigger on board. See, my CPU supply is good. Okay, also good. Let me show you that VS supply on back side. Again I need to trigger on board because due to heat board is goes to shut down automatically. Again I trigger on board. Okay, now I am checking my 5 volt 3 volt VS line. My 5 volt VS is good, also my 3 volt VS is good. Okay, so almost all the coil supply and run supply I am getting, but board is not stable. Board is goes to shut down automatically, and I am not able to get my display. Okay, this is the problem on board. So after checking all those coils, I am start checking my RAM slot requirement. Okay, so let me show you something. See, this is my location number JDIMM1. Okay, so let me search in schematic first. JDIMM1. Okay, this is my RAM slot. So I'm start checking from pin number 1, my BRF DQ. Okay, so let me show you that. I'm trigger on board, MBD is getting on. I'm going to check pin number 1 supply. See, in multimeter pin number 1 supply is 0 voltage. Okay, so let me search where it's coming. See, my pin number 1 V reference underscore DQ supply is missing. It should be off voltage of RAM supply. Okay, so let me search this supply. Okay, see they're using voltage divider for that. 1 kilo ohms and 1 kilo ohms means it should be off voltages. Okay, so let me check my RM65 resistor. In motherboard, this resistor present on back side. See, here I have the resistor. First one is pull up resistor, which is RM65, and second one is pull down resistor, it's RM67. Both are 1 kilo ohm resistor, so it should be release off voltages. Okay, so let me check input supply. Again I am triggering it on motherboard. MBD is getting on. Input side I got 1.35 voltage. Okay, I am checking input side, and opposite side I am getting 0 voltage. See, board is in live, there is no supply on opposite side. That means maybe resistor is open. First let me check the resistor is okay or not. See, in multimeter it shows, see, not proper resistance. Okay, see, I am checking the resistance, it's not proper. Maybe resistance is faulty. See, 1.6 kilo ohms it's showing. Okay, so let me replace the resistor, pull up resistor, and then I will check that condition. Now I am replacing the resistors with 1 kilo ohms from scrap board. Okay, so as per circuit I am replacing 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so again I am connecting a RAM. Okay, now I am connecting my USB keyboard. Before that, let me check that supply on reference voltage. MBD is trigger on. I am checking that supply. Again input side. Input side 1.34, and opposite side I am getting 0.67. Okay, it's proper voltage. Okay, so before that it's having 0 voltage on opposite side. Now it's proper. So let me check display. USB is connected. Again I am triggering it on motherboard. MBD is getting on. Now it's taking good amp. As you can see, it's having good ampere. And on keyboard connect, see my display. Okay, my display is good. Okay, also I would like to show a display on HDMI cable. I am connecting HDMI. Again I am taking it on motherboard. It's taking good ampere. Also my display is good. Okay, so due to RAM reference voltage missing, MBD is unable to give display and it's taking high ampere. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
So if you want to get the knowledge on BIOS modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. The complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our BIOS and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya 11 Triple T YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.